Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw Alpha Wallet to Binance. So as you can see, this is the official website of Alpha Wallet, so make sure to download their application and log in with their account. And once you do that, just go to the Binance, either it is on the web or you have the application in your phone. So you'll be seeing this kind of interface in the home section. So from here you just need to find this section called deposit. So once you find this section, click on deposit, and from here just choose deposit crypto, as we are depositing crypto. And from here just search the coin and select USDT. And once you select USDT, select the network. So in the Binance there are like multiple networks available, so make sure to choose the network which is also available in the Alpha Wallet. So once you choose that network, make sure this is available in Alpha Wallet. So let's say I choose TRX Tron 20, and you will be able to see the deposit address. So from here just copy this address, and once you copy this address, just make sure to go to the application of Alpha Wallet, and into the Alpha Wallet select your coin, like let's say USDT, and from here click on send or sell, whatever the option is in the application. And they will ask you to enter like the address where you want to send the USDT. So make sure to enter this correct address in the Alpha Wallet, and once you choose this address, after that click on next, and they will ask you to enter the amount, like how much USDT you want to send or withdraw. So make sure to enter the right amount, and once you enter the right amount, you'll be able to ask like your PIN or security key. So make sure to enter the key, and after that you will be able to withdraw the selected amount of USDT into your Binance account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can withdraw Alpha Wallet to Binance.